Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson Davis Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southwestern Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, southeastern Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northwestern Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northeastern Calcasieu Parish in southwestern Louisiana, west central St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, southern LN Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Reeves to 6 miles north of Bullard, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Basile, Buller, Topsy, Welsh, Jennings, Roanoke, Libou Settlement, Gillis, Durald, Eunice, Pine Island, Lackason, Hathaway, Fairton, Iowa, Elton, Thornwell, Kinder, LeBlanc, and Reeves. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for central and southwestern Louisiana.